Alright, so we just
Look what we have here. I found another one.
Another fucking microwave door. Straight out of the bush too. And it's going to hell. Wow. Alright, so we've just come back to the lodge where we claimed our first microwave victim. Yeah, you fucking chucked the other. Oh shit. See, they're basically fucking almost invincible. See? Oh, get that rock.
Glass doesn't break.
Yeah. Dirty bastard.
Get the fuck here.
Get the fuck here. Fucker's gotta get up sometime. Yeah, now, here we go. There's the glass still in there? Yeah. There's the glass.
That'll probably break pretty easy. Or not.
You sure that's glass?
Yeah.
Don't fucking sound like it.
That's that blast-proof shit that they do on fucking sites.
Just fucking smash it, man. Smash it hard out. Hey. Oh. Not a fucking trace of it, but anyway.
Probably could be glass. The test rock.
The rock.
No.
Oh, so it's not glass.
Oh.
Still, no reason to keep smashing the shit out of it. Yeah, it's fucking totaled.
How do you want a microwave door? Right there.